Hey you guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you have a good day. Okay, this time I will explanation about latte machine. Before we go in the topic, I will tell you about myself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Renata. I'm studying in Polytechnic Peri Banten. Yeah, this is my logo. My prodi is mechanical engineering. I live in Cilegon City and I'm semester 2 now. Okay, let's go in the topic. Okay, this is my topic. My topic is about manual latte machine. Will people don't know about manual latte machine? In the new era industry 4.0, latte machine mainly used in the steel company and school particular. Okay, next. Yeah, is my outline. My outline there is 3 points. Yeah. Point 1 is classification. Point 2 is function. And point 3 is how to operate manual latte machine. Okay, next. Point 1 is classification. Modern machine tool began in 1775 when an English inventor named John Wilkinson made a horizontal drilling machine to work on inner cylindrical surface. Around 1794, Henry Moseley made the first lathe. Yeah, the picture is Henry Moseley. After that, Jobset would accelerate the accuracy of 1 million of an inch in 1813. Okay, so manufacture the latte machine is done in steps by 3 engineers. At the first time is making drilling machine by John Wilkinson in the year of 1775, and the first time in the world latte machine is created by Henry Moseley, and then perfected by Joseph Whitworth in the year of 1813. Okay, next. Why latte machine is created? At first, latte machine created at the time needed for the mass production of interchangeable parts. At the time in the Europe, manual latte machine used to help people for manufacture 100 war rifle. Because that latte machine is created. Okay. Point 2 is function. Function 1 is fast turning. For fast turning, the job is smoothing in the surface with a knife latte machine. Smoothing the surface. Okay. Point 2 is turning thread. For the turning thread, we can using manual latte machine for making in the thread. Yeah, we can use manual latte machine for making in the thread. Okay. And point 3 is drilling. Drilling is a job to punch a hole in the workpiece with a drill bit. Okay, with a drill bit. Okay, next. Point 3 is how to operate manual latte machine. 1. Prepare the necessary tools such as lathe chisel, jockey, and other. Yeah, this picture jockey, lathe knife. Okay, next. Number 2. Ensure the engine is still off. Yeah. Click the push button right, and the engine is protected from flammable object. The latte machine protected inflammable liquid. Okay, next. Number 3. Install the lathe chisel on the tool post as high as the tip of the flashlight. Yeah, precision in the tool post. Okay, next. Number 4. Install the workpiece to be turned on the jack. When we install the workpiece, must be precision in the jack. Okay. Number 5. Turning the workpiece according to the desired specification. Click the push button green on the start lathe machine. Okay. Yeah, finish it. There are about lathe machine. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.